guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be doing a review of this portable DVD CD writer player. Most of the new laptops today do not have one included in your laptop. I will have a link in the description below to purchase this wonderful portable drive. It's not a speed demon at all. It's just to give you the ability to have a portable drive on your laptop or any device that requires USB. This will work with a Mac, PC, anything that has a USB. This is a really good product. I'm very impressed with it. USB cable is really short. It's specifically designed for a laptop, okay? Not a desktop, which I found it was difficult for me to plug it in and put it on top of it. It just wasn't working very well for a desktop. Let's check it out.
Okay, now we're going to be checking out the write performance of this DVD burner. This is the first time I'm actually using this drive. This is the review of the HP DVD RAM drive, GT50 November. That's how fast this thing burns. Hopefully we won't get any underrun errors. All right, so we're doing about 3.8 times write. This is a good product. I will have a link in the description below to buy this. This is very good. So it says here, write speed is successfully set, effective 8x, which is about 11 megs a second. And that's pretty good. For a portable drive, USB 3.0, I'll take it.
So guys, this is a valuable piece of hardware. I recommend this product. I'm giving it a 4-star rating. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.